Ready, start. It is a seminal judgment on Monday, while hearing a set of petitions against the trial of civilians in military courts, a Supreme Court bench ruled that in the aftermath of the May 9 events, civilian trials in such courts were null and void. Their lordships observed that two sections of the Army Act apparently justifying civilian trials in military courts were unconstitutional, and called for cases of civilians to be conducted in regular criminal courts. The judgment clearly upholds civilian supremacy and should be seen as permanent endorsement of the constitutional order over non-democratic shortcuts. In ignoring the recent pleas of some of the accused to speed up their military trials, it becomes apparent that their lordships were looking at the long-term consequence of allowing civilians to be tried by military courts. Full stop, new para. The petitions against military trials were taken up by former Chief Justice, but the case was put off indefinitely before resuming Monday. There were also reports that the military trials of some among the 102 people taken into custody after the May 9 developments had begun, even though the apex court had said the cases could only be heard after it granted permission. The last National Assembly, for all its talk of democracy, had endorsed military trials through a controversial resolution that has, in effect, been rejected by the court in its decision to restore the civilian order. This state can appeal the decision before the full court. Yet, at the heart of the matter is not just the trials of 102 individuals by the military, but also the debate about what sort of governance structure should dominate Pakistan. Should it be the constitutional order envisioned by the founders of the country, where every citizen is equal under the law, where due process is respected, and where all institutions act within their legal bounds, or should Pakistan's vision be one of the eternal security state, where justice, lawmaking, foreign policy, the economy, etc. are militarized,